Hey Simply Bakers! Today on Simply Bakings, I will be sharing with you these delicious keto-friendly peanut butter chewy cookies. They are so addicting, you guys will love them. Let's begin! For this recipe, all you will need are 4 ingredients: peanut butter, keto-friendly sweetener, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Then grab a large bowl, and to that bowl you're going to add the peanut butter. It's best if you use natural peanut butter. It requires mixing, so that's when you know it's natural. And if you don't want to use peanut butter, you can use other nut butters you have available. Next, you're going to add your keto-friendly sweetener. I can't remember the name, but it starts with E. I will let you know in the comments or in the recipe what kind of sugar I used. But you can also use coconut sugar, even though some people think it's not keto-friendly. Anyway, you're going to add 1 egg and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. The vanilla extract is actually optional. You can actually make this down to 3 ingredients, but I love the flavor of vanilla extract, so I decided to use it. So you want to make sure everything or all the ingredients are incorporated very well. You don't want to taste just sugar in one part of the cookie. And also, if you notice that your cookie dough is a little bit on the dry side, that is because you probably didn't use a large egg, you used a medium size. So if that happens, you could add up to a tablespoon of your choice of milk. I used almond milk because that happened to me. But only add the 1 tablespoon of almond milk or your choice of milk if the cookie dough is really on the dry side. Because the recipe is good as long as you use a large egg. That's key, a large egg. Anyway, now you're going to scoop the cookie dough onto the cookie sheet and then use your fork and make the famous peanut butter cookie sign. Super easy. Also guys, to get this recipe, head over to my blog Simply Bakings, and it does help me if you head over there. So please do and grab the recipe. So to bake the cookies, you're going to place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it's done baking, you're going to remove it and let the cookie sit on the cookie sheet for about 3 to 4 minutes. So leave it alone, don't touch it because it will fall apart. Once it's done, or once 4 minutes have passed, transfer the cookies over to a cookie rack and let it cool completely, which shouldn't take long. So once they've cooled, go ahead and take that bite and you will notice how sweet the cookies are and how chewy they are. So they're just classic peanut butter cookies, but keto friendly for those of you who are on a keto diet, and you won't miss out because these cookies are so delicious and addictive. So beware. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you next week. I promise I should have a video up ready. Oh, and I'm going to a conference, the Everything Food Conference. If you guys are there, I would love to meet you. DM me or email me and let's hang out. Bye guys.